Hey guys, Sarge here. What I'm going to be doing is reviewing the sub-second battle belt with my Glock 45 MOS with my Venom Vortex, or my Vortex Venom red dot. It's been working fantastic so far. I'm taking a couple individuals through an instructor's course, and with that, it's important to identify what gear you're using, right? And when we're using that gear, is it just for playtime or is it for work? And if we are intending the gear to work with, it needs to be top-notch stuff. And one thing I will tell you about sub-second battle belts, they make top-of-the-line stuff. If you guys are paying for battle belts and you're paying more than what they're offering this for, you're paying way too much. This is a top-of-the-line battle belt, and I highly recommend you guys put it inside of your wardrobe, okay? So, this Glock 45 MOS, I zeroed it, I believe, about a month and some change ago, and I've turned the red dot off, and it's been off the whole time because I knew I was going to come out here and shoot it some. What I wanted to do is see, with the red dot being off that whole time, is it going to affect its holding zero? So let's see if it did. Stop! Okay, hey guys, we're at about 70, 65-ish yards. I would say it held zero just fine. Let's go a little closer and see how I do. All right, hey, seems to be doing just fine, guys. And one of the things that I'll tell you guys, regardless of the weather, training is training, okay? Trust me, a gunfight is not going to wait on you for it to be warm outside. Your gear is just that, it is gear. They are tools, okay? You should not be afraid of getting your items wet, getting them muddy. That's what they're intended for. And if they don't work when they're wet or muddy, you probably should look at other pieces of equipment. What we're going to do now is some transition shooting. I covered it in the instructor portion of it, and we're going to show you guys how certain shot groups should work in rhythm with one another, okay? So let's see how I do. Stop! All right, guys, hey, I think this battle belt works pretty well. You guys can be the judge of if it moved or not. I don't think it did. Glock 45 MOS with the Vortex Venom red dot running pretty well. I missed a couple, but that was on me, okay? You're not gonna shoot 100% every single time. Stay tuned for more, guys. Sarge out.